Sikone njani? Nkosi yami ngicela ukuhlupha kokugcina ngithi mina njengoba kade nihambile nonke lapho kini nashiya umaweni eyedwa sengifike ngamthatha lapho siyahamba naye nje siyohlala ehlathini elikude la engeke eziwe khona umuntu mekhala ufuna ukumgcina nje lapho futhi sobe singenakho ukudla sobe singenawo namanzi ufuna ukuthi ubhuti wakho ngeke yini asicinga aze asithole ufuna ukubona lapho ukuthi mesithola ngeke yini angibambe angihage athi angehlisa umoya yonke lento sisazoyilungisa njengomndeni athi asingawafaka amaphoyisa kuyona yonke lento ngoba uya-understand ukuthi lento engiyenzile ngenziswe yini funa ukuthi ngeke axolise yini ngayo yonke into angenze yona athi yena usangithanda ukuthi ubedidekile kancane la nizobona khona ukuthi ngeke yini ethi asambe ngiyohlala endlini yakhe khona sizoxoxa silungisa izinto athi uyangicenga ngicela nje ngidedele uma wena ungamnqumi ila ngizobona khona ukuthi akasangithandi yini ngiyacela-ke sithanda sami siyaphuma-ke manje la endlini ngiyacela-ke sithanda sami please my love shayisa-ke ma-angels esendleleni ngiyabonga nafethu angazi noma imina mhlawumbe odalwe ngenye indlela engingayazi kodwa nje abonke lento lokuthiwa hayi asazi nkosi yami senze njani useney'nsuku engadli uyakhala nje uthi akudleki nokudla hawe ma ngeke nje kuze kube yimina loya nashathi inhliziyo yami ibuhlungu kanjani ngeke nje ngize ngingadli isisu sami phela senze ilutho kuyona yonke lonto hawe ma akadli ubani uthi akusangeni nalutho nje esiswini angiphiki inhliziyo ibuhlungu phela ngizokhala-ke inyembezi zizophuma ngoba ngumuntu kodwa ngeke ngadli mina ngilambile phela ngenze njani ngeke nje ngingakhali ngizokhala kodwa ukudla ngeke nguyeke wema akadli inkosi yamasazi sizomsaphi akukhulumeki uthi angingeni ngisho ukudla kuphi khona
Hello Mzansi, welcome to Mgosi Mzansi. If today is your first time visiting this channel, please do the right thing and click the subscribe button, and also don't forget to smash the like button. Sad news, uSamthanda Simthande Miyeza alismate kakhulu ngasikoni laphana ku TikTok kwenta ama video njena udume kakhulu bana bani bamthatha ngendlela lesimanga bekathunjiwe boiled driver. So imndeni wakhe ukhipha a statement lesifundzeka ngalendlela. Statement on Simthande Miyeza's abduction, 19 June 2025 for immediate release. Durban, the Miyeza family would like to inform the public about the latest events related to their son, Simthande Miyeza. On Tuesday evening, 17 June 2025, Simthande was abducted aboard a Bolt ride in the Umbilo area of Durban. One African male was driving the car when he boarded, realizing that the car was taking a strange route. He asked the driver to make a U-turn. That's when the driver got angry and eventually stopped the car. Two other African males approached the car, and one of them pointed a gun at Simthande. The other one blindfolded him and tied his hands, and they drove with him to an unknown location. They accessed his phone and cleaned his bank account of every cent he had. Upon realizing who he was, they went to make one phone calls to his family members, colleagues, and friends and demanded a ransom. When they got the money, they stripped him of his clothes, took pictures and videos of him while forcing him to perform despicable acts. In the early hours of Wednesday morning, they asked him to confirm his residential address and requested a ride for him. They instructed him not to do or say anything stupid, or they are going to come after him and his family. We can confirm that the matters was reported to the police, and Simthande remains in a safe place where he is surrounded by his friends and family. Guys, most people are saying, oh, never babone bagibela ama-Bolt driver, bagibela bo Bolt, oh, like they will never, because guys are safe. It's really not safe. We are requested for imoto, oh, thinking ukuthi tokubeka safe la uyakhona, only to find out ukuthi oh akusiko lokuqabangako ngibo labantu futhi laba yoqede bakuthumbe. We're just glad ukuthi he's okay, usafe, and just hoping nje ukuthi bonke abantu bado ba safe. Please do comment what you think below down in the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. I am signing out. Goodbye.